Hi, friends. Out here, the ocean shows no mercy. Those were the first words I heard when I stepped aboard the Northern Eagle, one of North America's most advanced deep-sea fishing vessels. Capable of hauling 200 tons of Alaska pollock in a single catch, this floating processing factory never stops. But neither do the dangers. As we pushed deeper into the icy, uncharted waters, the temperature plummeted to 31 DGF. Our water systems froze, our nets tore apart in the chaos, and the relentless waves slammed against the hull. Yet, we pressed on. The hunt for larger fish meant survival not just for us, but for an industry dependent on this catch. Despite concerns about overfishing, strict regulations ensure sustainability, limiting our haul to 15% of the total pollock population. Every moment tested our endurance. But as the processing factory below deck roared to life, churning out thousands of frozen fillets, I realized something. This wasn't just a job. It was a battle against nature itself. Would you trade months of your life for a chance to earn big on the high seas? That's the reality for the 140 crew members aboard the Northern Eagle, led by the seasoned Captain Jens, who has 31 years of experience. This floating processing factory never sleeps, and neither does its crew. Out here, your earnings depend on the catch, with the best fishermen making up to $15,000 per month. But would you endure 6 to 7 months at sea, braving minus 22 DGF temperatures and relentless waves just for the paycheck? For these men, it's more than just a job. It's survival, sacrifice, and the call of the ocean. Could you handle life on the Northern Eagle? The reality of fishing on the Northern Eagle is a battle against the sea. Imagine facing 30-foot waves and brutal force 10 winds, all while racing against 70 other vessels for the best catch. That's the reality aboard the Northern Eagle during the peak pollock spawning season. Every trip is a high-stakes battle where experience and endurance determine success. Before setting sail, the engineers work tirelessly, inspecting every part of the vessel. A single malfunction in these harsh Bering Sea conditions could mean disaster. But even with top-tier preparation, the sea is unforgiving. Waves slam against the hull and icy winds cut through the deck like a blade. This isn't just fishing, it's survival. So, how will this trip go? Only the ocean decides. Before stepping into the heart of the floating processing factory, let's uncover the advanced technology that makes the Northern Eagle one of the most efficient deep-sea trawlers in North America. Measuring 345 feet long and 52 feet wide, this high-tech vessel is equipped with state-of-the-art sonar scanning systems capable of detecting pollock schools at depths between 328 and 1,968 feet. Unlike traditional fishing boats, it features real-time tension sensors, underwater cameras, and hydraulic winches, ensuring a precise and sustainable catch. The vessel's massive trawling net, stretching half a mile, can haul in an astonishing 200 tons of fish in a single cast. But what happens next? This is where the floating processing factory takes over, transforming fresh catch into market-ready seafood in record time. Inside the Northern Eagle is a high-seas processing powerhouse. Unlike land-based seafood factories that receive pre-sorted fish, the Northern Eagle's floating processing factory handles freshly caught fish directly on board, ensuring maximum efficiency and freshness. The process begins the moment the catch is hauled in, moving swiftly along a 2,300-foot conveyor system. Automated sorting machines categorize the fish by size, while high-speed filleting stations, capable of processing 150 fish per minute, remove heads and bones with precision. Equipped with state-of-the-art freezing technology, the factory flash freezes seafood at 40 DEF within minutes, preserving quality better than traditional storage methods. Unlike land-based factories that operate under controlled conditions, this floating facility must function continuously in unpredictable, stormy waters, making every repair and adjustment a race against time to protect the voyage's profits. On the Northern Eagle, where fishing, processing, and preservation operate as a single system, mechanical failures are inevitable, and when they strike, the entire processing factory is at risk. One of the most vital components is the water pump, responsible for desalinating 172,000 gallons of seawater daily. If it fails, the factory loses its ability to maintain fish quality, causing fish roe to deteriorate rapidly and resulting in substantial financial losses. When breakdowns occur, the crew must act fast. Engineers scramble to repair pumps, restore power, and fix torn nets, all while the ship battles 30-foot waves. Beyond pollock fillets, the processing factory also produces fish meal, fish oil, and fertilizer, making every mechanical fix crucial to keeping operations profitable on this high-stakes floating factory.
And fishing for giant squid in Spain's Galician and Cantabrian seas is a demanding and time-honored craft. Using high-strength nylon fishing lines that can reach depths between 650 and 3.280 feet, fishermen attach specialized hooks with bait, such as small fish or glowing lures. To attract squid, they often employ underwater LED lights. When a squid bites, fishermen rely on their skill to feel subtle vibrations on the line, responding quickly to prevent escape. The real challenge lies in manually pulling the squid, which can weigh up to tens of kilograms, from deep waters, a process that requires immense strength, endurance, and precise control to avoid breaking the line. This traditional method combines physical prowess and intricate knowledge of the sea, passed down through generations. Giant squid, known for their enormous size, can grow up to 13 meters in length and are usually found in deep waters. The most important landing sites for the giant squid fishery in the Gulf of California, Mexico, are Guaymas in Sonora and Santa Rosalia in Baja California Sur. The increase in the species' biomass has led to increased landings, which ranged from 6,200 tonnes in 1994 to 140,000 tonnes in 1996. Catching giant squid presents a significant challenge to fishermen due to their enormous strength and their deep water habitat. The squid's powerful tentacles and the enormous pulling force they generate make it difficult to reel them in, especially in rough seas. In addition, they are very active at night, requiring fishermen to work in dark, unpredictable conditions that require special stamina and skills. Several proposals have been made to develop a management strategy for this fishery based on escape rates. This requires an estimate of the population size at the start of the fishing season to determine the amount of fishing effort. Weekly catch and effort data were reported from October 1995 to March 1996 for 3 fleets operating in the Gulf of California. The estimated population size using a maximum likelihood model was 82,000 tons with an escape rate of 66%. Robotic capture of giant squid has transformed deep-sea fishing, bringing greater efficiency and precision. These robotic systems, equipped with mechanical arms, sensors, and specialized hooks, weigh several hundred pounds and can detect the movements of squid using sonar and underwater cameras. Once they locate the squid, the robots deploy hooks and an automated drag system to reel in the squid, which can weigh up to 600 pounds. The system carefully adjusts the drag force to handle the enormous power of the squid, pulling the catch at speeds of about 3 to 6 feet per second. This process not only increases fishing efficiency, but also reduces the physical burden on fishermen, allowing them to catch more squid in less time. Can you guess how much revenue each robotic catch brings in for fishermen? Leave your guesses below for Trending Farm's farming documentary. After being caught, giant squid are processed on the boat to ensure freshness. First, they are cleaned by removing the organs, teeth, and ink sac. This initial processing is important because the squid will spoil quickly due to its high moisture content. If not processed immediately, the meat can lose its texture and flavor. The squid are then frozen or refrigerated to preserve quality until they reach the factory. Are you wondering why you are processed on the boat? If you are already processed on the boat, what is the purpose of the squid processing factory? On-boat processing focuses on preserving freshness, while factory processing involves more detailed steps such as cutting, packaging, and further cleaning for distribution to the market. Interestingly, the internal organs of giant squid, especially the liver, are rich in oils and nutrients, making them ideal bait for catching more squid. Reusing these squid parts reduces waste and minimizes costs when catching squid. Once the giant squid is transported to the processing plant, the frozen or chilled squid undergoes several additional steps to prepare it for market. First, the giant squid is thawed, if necessary, and then carefully inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. In this farming documentary, you can see workers remove any remaining internal organs, including eyes and cartilage, and thoroughly clean them to remove any remaining residue. They are then cut into various forms for sale, such as rings, fillets, or steaks, depending on demand. Some plants also prepare the squid for freezing into smaller portions, often using a flash freezing method at temperatures below -40 degrees to preserve flavor and texture. The processed squid is then vacuum sealed or packaged for distribution to retailers or export markets. This detailed processing in the factory is essential to produce consistent, high-quality products for consumers while complying with safety and export regulations. Through many agricultural documentaries, we found that the giant squid fishery is huge, with between 149,000 and 251,000 vessels catching it each year, and that the effort increased by 68% from 2017 to 2020. Much of the increase in production is due to the ability of fishermen in fishing areas to incorporate robots into their fishing operations. Subscribe to Trending Farm and turn on notifications so you don't miss more agricultural documentaries about the tangible and intangible benefits of applying technology to fishing and processing operations.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.